Did you know you can buy a property without showing any income? Stay to the end to find out how. Although this technique has been around for many years, there are a lot of realtors and investors that aren't aware of it. Showing your income on paper is something that prevents a lot of people from buying rental properties. In order to qualify for a $500,000 property, you will need to earn roughly $150K to $155K each year. They either don't show enough income on their tax returns, or they don't think they make enough money. With this program, you qualify based on your credit, the property's appraisal, and the proposed rental income that property will generate. Even if the income that the property generate doesn't cover the mortgage payment, you can still qualify without showing any of your own income. Best of all, you can qualify for these loans with as little as 15% down. The number one method that people use to generate wealth is real estate investing, and with a DSCR loan, you can get your foot in the door towards financial freedom. Follow for more wealth-building strategies.